Today, I'll show you how to enter recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25 step by step. Recovery mode can help fix software problems, clear cache, perform factory resets, and troubleshoot boot issues. Before starting, make sure your Samsung Galaxy S25 has at least 50% battery. First, completely power off the phone. Wait a few seconds until the device is fully shut down. Now press and hold the volume up button and the side button together. Keep holding both buttons until the Samsung logo appears. After a few moments, the Android recovery menu will appear on the screen. Use the volume up and volume down buttons to move through the menu options. Use the side button to confirm as a selection. Inside recovery mode, you can reboot the system, wipe cache partition, enter safe mode, or perform a factory reset. To leave recovery mode, highlight Reboot System Now and press the side button. The Samsung Galaxy S25 will now restart normally, and that's how to enter recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to Reset Pilot, and check out our other Android tutorials. Thanks for watching.